Welcome back to 50 Car. In a world where bold design meets cutting-edge technology, the 2025 Ford Edge Street emerges as a beacon of performance and style that challenges conventions and excites the senses. This dynamic crossover boldly redefines its segment with a perfect balance between sportiness and everyday functionality. The Edge ST's exterior design exudes confidence with its sculpted front grille, sharply contoured LED headlamps, and streamlined body curves that command attention. Each element is meticulously crafted to deliver an aggressive yet elegant look, though its sporty proportions may slightly compromise rear visibility for some drivers. Step inside to discover an interior where modern luxury meets intuitive design. The dashboard features a high-definition digital cluster seamlessly integrated with a responsive infotainment touchscreen, while premium upholstery and ergonomically designed seats create an inviting atmosphere for long drives. Despite its sophisticated tech, the interface can be overwhelming for users seeking simpler controls, and some may find rear seating space a bit limited for family travel. Under the hood, the Edge ST houses a turbocharged engine that delivers robust horsepower, rapid acceleration, and an impressive top speed. Its finely tuned suspension and precise steering ensure a driving experience that is both thrilling and stable. Although potential buyers should note that high-performance components might incur higher maintenance costs and warranty limitations over time. Market positioning for the 2025 Ford Edge Street is strong, targeting both youthful enthusiasts and mature drivers who demand a blend of excitement and reliability. Priced competitively against rivals such as the Honda Passport and Toyota Highlander, it offers a unique driving experience that marries spirited performance with everyday practicality. Additional features include customizable exterior accents, advanced safety packages, and optional accessory bundles, all backed by an extended warranty to enhance buyer confidence. Every detail of the Edge ST reflects Ford's commitment to innovation, ensuring it remains a standout choice for discerning drivers.